Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we're diving into the 8 biggest personal finance myths that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Business and personal finance is a space filled with myths and misunderstanding, so hopefully we will shine some light on that today. So, stick around as we debunk these myths and empower you to take control of your financial future. Let me know in the comments how many of these you have believed in the past or even to this day. Number 8. Financial advisors always have your best interests at heart. While many financial advisors genuinely aim to help their clients, this myth ranks at number 8 because it overlooks the reality that not all advisors operate with complete transparency or integrity. Some may prioritize their own commissions or firm profits over your financial well-being. This myth can lead clients to trust advisors blindly, potentially resulting in poor financial decisions. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may have more widespread implications, this one serves as a cautionary tale, reminding individuals to conduct thorough research and seek out fiduciary advisors who are legally obligated to act in their best interests. Understanding this myth is crucial, as it encourages clients to ask the right questions and remain vigilant, ensuring they receive the guidance they truly deserve. Number 7. You shouldn't invest in stocks until you're older. This myth suggests that young investors should wait until they have more life experience or financial stability before diving into the stock market. However, this belief overlooks the power of compound interest and the benefits of starting early. Investing in stocks while young allows individuals to take advantage of market fluctuations and build wealth over time, even with small contributions. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may deter individuals from investing altogether, this one can lead to missed opportunities for growth. Young investors have the unique advantage of time on their side, enabling them to recover from market downturns and learn valuable lessons along the way. By debunking this myth, we empower younger generations to embrace investing sooner, setting the stage for a more secure financial future. Number 6. All debt is bad debt. This pervasive myth suggests that any form of borrowing is detrimental to your financial health. This myth fails to consider the nuances of debt. While high-interest consumer debt can indeed be harmful, not all debt is created equal. For instance, student loans and mortgages can be considered good debt when they lead to investments in education or property that appreciate over time. This myth can lead individuals to avoid necessary financial tools that can enhance their wealth-building potential. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may discourage investing altogether, this one can create a fear of leveraging opportunities that could yield significant returns. By understanding that some debt can be strategically beneficial, individuals can make informed decisions that align with their long-term financial goals, ultimately paving the way for greater financial freedom. Number 5. You can time the market. This myth suggests that savvy investors can predict market highs and lows to maximize their returns. Even Warren Buffett, who many proclaim to be the greatest investor of all time, does not claim that he can accurately time the market over a large sample of trades. While some may claim to have a knack for timing, the reality is that even seasoned professionals struggle to consistently make accurate predictions. This myth can lead to impulsive decisions and missed opportunities, as investors may wait for the perfect moment to buy or sell, only to find themselves on the sidelines during significant market movements. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may discourage investing altogether, this one can create a false sense of control, leading to frustration and disappointment. By understanding that a long-term investment strategy often yields better results than attempting to time the market, investors can focus on building a diversified portfolio that withstands market fluctuations, ultimately enhancing their financial resilience. Number 4. Investing is only for the wealthy. This myth perpetuates the idea that only those with substantial financial resources can participate in the investment landscape. This idea overlooks the accessibility of modern investment options. With the rise of low-cost index funds, robo-advisors, and fractional shares, individuals from all financial backgrounds can start investing with minimal capital. This myth can deter aspiring investors from taking the first step toward building wealth, leading them to believe that they need to wait until they are rich enough to invest. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may discourage investing altogether, this one can create a false barrier to entry, preventing many from harnessing the power of compound growth. By debunking this myth, we empower individuals to recognize that investing is a crucial tool for financial independence, regardless of their current wealth status, encouraging them to start their investment journey today. Number 3. You should always pay off your mortgage early. This myth suggests that eliminating your mortgage debt as quickly as possible is the best financial strategy. While being debt-free can be appealing, paying off a low-interest mortgage early may not be the most effective use of your funds. Instead, individuals could invest that money in higher-yielding assets, potentially earning greater returns over time. This myth can lead homeowners to prioritize mortgage payments over other financial goals, such as retirement savings or building an emergency fund. Unlike higher-ranked myths that may discourage investing altogether, this one can create a false sense of urgency, causing individuals to miss out on opportunities for wealth accumulation. By understanding that a balanced approach to debt and investment can lead to greater financial security, homeowners can make more informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. Coming in at number 2, debt is always bad. This myth suggests that any form of debt is detrimental to your financial health, but it ranks at number 2 because it fails to recognize the strategic use of debt in wealth building. While high-interest debt, like credit card balances, can indeed be harmful, not all debt is created equal. For instance, leveraging debt to invest in real estate or education can lead to significant returns and opportunities for growth. This myth can create an irrational fear of borrowing, causing individuals to miss out on valuable investments that could enhance their financial future. Unlike the top-ranked myth, which may discourage individuals from engaging with financial tools altogether, this one can lead to a misunderstanding of how to use debt wisely. By debunking this myth, we empower individuals to view debt as a potential tool for growth rather than an inherent evil, encouraging a more nuanced approach to financial management. And finally, the biggest myth in personal finance: you need a lot of money to start investing. This pervasive myth ranks at number 1 because it discourages countless individuals from taking the crucial first step toward financial independence. Many believe that investing is reserved for the wealthy, but the reality is that modern investment platforms allow anyone to start with minimal capital. With options like fractional shares and low-cost index funds, even small amounts can grow significantly over time through the power of compound interest. This myth creates a barrier that prevents aspiring investors from participating in wealth-building opportunities, leading them to miss out on the benefits of early investment. Unlike other myths that may mislead investors about specific strategies or tools, this one fundamentally undermines the accessibility of investing itself. By debunking this myth, we empower individuals to recognize that starting small is not only possible, but can also be a smart and effective way to build a prosperous financial future. In this video, we've uncovered the top 8 biggest personal finance, investing, and business myths that can hinder your financial journey. We started with the notion that financial advisors always have your best interests at heart at number 8, followed by the belief that you shouldn't invest in stocks until you're older at number 7. We then tackled the misconception that all debt is bad at number 6, and the myth that you can time the market at number 5. At number 4, we debunked the idea that investing is only for the wealthy, followed by the belief that you should always pay off your mortgage early at number 3. We ranked the myth that debt is always bad at number 2, and finally, we revealed that you need a lot of money to start investing as the number 1 myth. Explore these topics further, and remember, knowledge is your greatest asset in achieving financial success. Take action today. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to business, personal finance, and much more.